Yeah, man. Just eat where you grow and grow where you eat. After weed up same way. Grass they have one like them a part of the thing. Some pumpkin right there. Plantain coming up right there. Cabbage. Pine them a come. Basil, mint. Can cook with. Good old mint where granny make use and make tea for you. Weed up and keep the farm clean, you know. And some pine, cabbage, another version of the basil mint. Some sweet pepper go on with themselves right, so I keep it jiggy. So I see them grow when the trees are small. Some scallion right there. Watch this one here. Him? Yes, I leave them. Let him do it. Hold on, I can't, I'm gonna see what I'm going. Alright. Watch it. I'll leave them now. Alright, there's no same is no more. I have some sweet pepper come right, that's what the same way. I see the master here. Fever grass. Have some little thing in the fever grass nursery. And this is rosemary. Coming up nice. Another version of mint on this, I said speed. Banana tree. There's a little tour of one, you know. So plant up the thing, man. Flowers can't eat, you know. No, not against flowers still, what? You know what I mean? Cabbage again. Nice Scotch bonnet pepper. Photos. Rosy. Some kale right there, so. Yeah, ocean of thing I go on, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Beautiful sight though. That's the truth. Yeah. So we segue over to the other side. Show you the bad boy them. Yeah man, this is Cabbagineo. Cabbage, Cabbage Aldo. Cabbage. Yeah man, but them are come on nice. Oh, they are full already. You know. And them have a ghost pepper tree. Pepper hot like a lava. Yeah man. No way I do it in a fat fire. Further I'm sure now I want. Yeah man, I can plant up your own little garden in the yard man. I have a little thing them. You know what I mean? Every dollar save is a dollar save, you know. It's water I down in the market. Step out to come get something. Food stuff. Crazy. Bad for them. And a long time somebody not sit down in the market though. See it there? Mad and crazy same way. Fresh produce. What, Susie? Skelly on 150.
Calm down. Then come to water and juice and give it water and juice.
You want Irish mackerel seed? You know
This is sweet pepper over here. And just for the cabbage. Come here, sweetie. Me have the price for you now. Come boss, we are looking for me today. We are looking for me today. We have everything for you now. Not at all. I'm here.
No disrespect.
Yeah, man. Through the market, I see what I've gone. Say you have cut up color different from where you sell normal. Yes, sir. Market I evolve, man. Are you selling them lettuce over there, sir? Yeah. Lettuce them look good.
Yeah.
Going that train.
Look in the market, tell me what you need and tell me what you order. How much a pound for this sweet pepper? You know, $100. Wow.